Assembling a MetroTalk rental repeater will require you to unpack 4 items: a repeater, a duplexer and cables, a power cord, and the antenna. Place the repeater on a flat surface and look at the back of the repeater. You will notice 2 connectors, one color-coded red and one color-coded green. Grab the duplexer and the 2 included cables, which are color-coded red and green. Grab the green cable and connect it to the green port of the duplexer. Now connect the other end to the green port of the repeater, followed by the red cable, which is connected to the red port of the duplexer, and then to the red port of the repeater. Now grab the antenna and connect the antenna connector to the center port of the duplexer and place the antenna as high as possible. Now that the duplexer and antenna is properly connected, it is time to power up the unit. Take the AC cord and connect it to the socket on the back of the repeater. Find an AC outlet that is working and plug it in. Turn the power switch to the on position. Look at the front of the repeater. Once the power light goes on, you're good to go.